Kafas group. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, actually, we are heading towards the Creek Harbour. Maybe you guys already know that the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world at the moment. But a few years back, when Saudi Arabia has started constructing this Kingdom Tower, now I think in this year or next year, the Kingdom Tower in Saudi Arabia will be the highest tower in the world. So, Dubai always want to be number one in so many things. So what they did, they have started constructing a Creek Tower. So that is going to be the world tallest building in the coming years. So today our plan is to visit that area. That is a beautiful area. So you guys will be with us and see you on the other side. So guys, we are here in Creek Harbour. You can see this, it's a beautiful place where I told you that it's going to be constructing a world's tallest building named Creek Tower. So this is the place exactly where we are at the moment. There are so many hotels and there are so many resident buildings around and some supermarkets as well. So let's start from here and we see that what exactly this area is.
Yes guys, so as you can see, we are in the creek area and this is beautiful harbor line. So all the yachts are here and from here we can go and enjoy this coast also. And it's amazing, you can see from here, we can see the Burj Khalifa also. It's visible from here, so it's a direct connectivity. And this is newly constructed and there are still some work is going on. Beautiful yachts. These are retail shops for dining, for there is all, there is KFC is there, McDonald's, Pizza Hut. So for eating, the all the buildings which are on the Sheikh Zayed Road, all are visible from here. And this water is directly connected from the ocean, and they have cut it. Earlier it was not there, but they have made it canal, and now it's directly connected to the ocean water, which is in Jumeirah. And throughout coming from Business Bay and all, so it landed till here. So it's amazing concept and very nice for a day tour also. So you can have your family, children, friends, you can come here and enjoy the day here. It's amazing weather also.
Looking around on this beautiful place, and there are some beautiful restaurants around. The peoples are sitting here. It's almost lunch time. It's a beautiful area. With the family, people can visit here, and especially in this weather, uh, it's always good to come on these quiet places, little away from the city areas, where you have a lot of traffic noises. Here you will see that it's a very quiet area, and again you can see that it's a beautiful view of Sheikh Zayed Road. You can see from here the Burj Khalifa and the other tall buildings of Sheikh Zayed Road. As you can see, there are some kids playing areas for the kids. The good thing about this place is you can see there are so many seating arrangement here. If you're coming here, you can sit here, do whatever you want. Like if you even have full of flowers. It's nice. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. There are so many colorful flowers, and you can see me in so many colors here.
So guys, you can see the water everywhere, only water, and the sound of the water is so relaxing. Amazing place. The weather is also good these days, a little cold. You can spend good time here.
Guys, I just wanted to show you this. It's a kids playing area. Kids seems very happy. Guys, look at this place. It's beautiful. Can you see the stairs? Nice place with nice weather.
Потому что, типа, мы тебе найдем самые крутые варианты, но это вот, они сегодня есть, за них вечно уже может не быть. А типа, человек не
I don't know what exactly is this thing for, but it is looking very beautiful. As we are walking around, this thing looks nice, especially for if you want to take your pictures, if you want to make the videography for these things. It's beautiful. I mean, the color combination is very nice. Beautiful place. Rais is telling me, and I think he's right, that this is a playing area for the kids, and I'm sure he's right, because you can see that it's a one-hearted shape. I think it is for, it'll be very busy, I believe, on 14th of February, because it is looking like a heart, and you can take the pictures with your loved one.
You can see it's I love you. It's like that.
Well, yes, I love you. Yes. Now we have noticed. Flamingos, artificial, but looking nice in this place. that there are some okay, great. I don't know exactly how to operate this thing, but as we are mentioning again and again that the view of Sheikh Zayed Road from here especially, it is very clear. Burj Khalifa, you can see from here. With the motion of tree, few more areas for kids, nice and colorful. As we are walking through this passage, we are seeing that they have made so many kids playing areas, some learning stuff as well. So guys, this was today's vlog. I'm sure you guys will enjoy this. It's a nice, beautiful, quiet place for the families especially. And here we will finish our vlog. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and especially your comments will be so valuable for us. Thank you very much.